If you want to be a successful commercial entertainer, click on the link below. Dooney's Coaching Secrets will help you, and my individual one-on-one sessions start at only $300, and it's a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. Okay, this is the only one I'm going to show you that are actually 3 full balloons that are sculpted, okay? Because again, we could go on and on. Thousands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 balloons. One is an odd color. The other 2 are exactly the same. And I blow them up all the way, literally all the way, okay? Because you're only making a couple of ties. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tie this with the 2 balls down at the bottom. It's kind of like the bumblebee, where I just grab the top, bring it down, twist it around. Now, I line up the 2 so that they stay where they're lined up like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to make butterfly wings. All right? So what I do is I don't tie bubbles, I tie the knot together. Okay? I'll show you on the other one what I did, but what I'm going to do is make a huge heart out of this. Bend it down like that, twist, but don't off. Whoops. Let me show you again. All right, so now I'm going to make 2 butterfly wings. All right, and what I do is this is blown up all the way. There's no place to tie it. I've got the knot here that I can grab. So all I have to do is squeeze some of the air out, and now there's room up here for me to tie it. And I just tie these together. Okay, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is make a big heart. I'm going to squeeze this point together and twist it, but don't twist it off. Just squeeze it. It causes the balloon to stretch. Causes that part of the balloon to stretch so that it makes a heart. Okay? Now, I popped one of these earlier. Okay. And then I do the second one. So now I've got 2 like this. So I've got the blue and I've got the 2. What these are going to be are butterfly wings. All right. And what I'm going to do is attach these into the center section here. So I just put it on there with the knot there and I just pull it through. All right. Do the same thing with the other one. Just pull it through, twist the balloons around. All right. So now the idea is that you've got this with the 2 butterflies on the back. And what you're going to do is put the kid's arm through here. They'll reach around to the back and put their arm through here. All right. So it's too small for me. I probably wouldn't be able to do it. Yeah, but what happens is you wind up with a butterfly wings on a little girl. I'll show you a picture. This is pretty worth it. Okay, so that's going to be the end of my 3 balloon tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to do the 2 balloon hats also, because when you add the 2 balloon animals, 2 balloon hats, and the 3 balloon animals, you have a pretty good stock of stuff that'll kill any birthday party, I guarantee you. And the kids will have fun, and they'll have toys. Have a great day, and I think the next thing I'm going to do is games with balloons. All right, talk to you later.